So, thank you guys for watching. So you get to see why I posted this video. So it does have 90,000 now. I did put some 20% tint, by the way. But the reason I posted this video is because now I have the infamous BAS warning. So I changed the brake light switch and that did not work. My tail lights don't cut on when I push the stop. When I push the brake, the stop lights don't cut on. My tail lights cut on like with the switch, like they should this way. Of course, just, you know, your regular running lights. But the stop light bulbs don't cut on. Or the rear trunk, that one in the trunk doesn't cut on. So what is it? What else do